Okay, hope everybody's doing good today. Today we have a very nice 2002 Mazda MX-5 Miata LS. This was actually a recent trade-in, and it's a clean Carfax, two owners. The second owner traded it in, and they just had a lot of service done to this car within the past year and a half. Actually, it has all brand new tires, new brakes, the cooling system, brake system, transmission fluid, and the oil was all recently replaced. This car actually has a really detailed service history on the Carfax. Everything seems like it was pretty much done at the Mazda dealership up in State College, Pennsylvania. Going around the paint on this car, you'll see it still has a nice shine to it. The convertible top looks as though it was recently replaced as well. There's no staining or tears in it, as you can see. This does have the upgraded 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You'll see a little bit of wear on them, but overall they're pretty nice for the age. There's along the bottom rocker panels, you'll see no surface rust or anything like a lot of these do have. Looking up and the front bumper and the hood, once again you'll see it's not all chipped up or dinged up. You can tell that whoever owned this car really did only take it out in the nice weather. Whenever we got the car in, we did have new Pennsylvania State and emissions stickers done on it. This car does have a really nice beige leather interior, as well as an upgraded Bose stereo system. Probably one of the nicer interiors on one of these cars that I've had. The seat bolsters, carpeting, dash area, and console are all just in really clean, original condition. Well, thank you. Appreciate that. Already getting people telling me I should buy it. All right. You'll see a lot of the original badging is still here from the factory with the VIN number. They did throw in a car cover whenever they traded it in. Down in here's a problem where a lot of these cars rust. You'll find it nice and clean. As well as this side, battery is only, I think, a year and a half or two old, so it's still on the new side. Around to the passenger side, you'll find the interior smoke-free and pretty much wear-free overall. We'll do a start up here as well. Sorry for the shaky camera. Just give me a minute to open up this hood. Okay. Opening up the hood, you don't see any rust or anything down in the insides of the inner fender welds. It's a super clean original car. Had him fire it up here and show you what it looks like with the top down as well. You see all the bracketing and hardware is really nice and original. It really just shows that this car wasn't abused by its owners. And again, there's a tag that shows that this probably is a newer top. It's the radio, fans, it's the mileage. These tops are a breeze to put up and down. You can pretty much do it with one hand. They fall right in. And that concludes our 2002 Mazda Miata MX-5 LS. Again, it only has 46,000 miles. It's a clean Carfax, two owner, and it's down here at our store in Fox Chapel, Pennsylvania. If you're still watching here, I'll go ahead inside and do a little walk around and show you some of our current inventory. If you ever see anything you like, you can see us at www.autosportco.com. That's autosportco.com. Specialize in a lot of classics, and then down here we do a lot of Mustangs, Miatas, Corvettes. We're located inside an old fire station, and we keep anywhere from 18 to 25 cars in stock. So give us a call if this car is something you're interested in. We're always looking to buy too. My phone number is 724 388 4930. Have a good day.